Well, hello there, princesses. Welcome back to the kingdom, and welcome to beautiful Halloween. In this tutorial, I'm sharing how I created this avant-garde Rapunzel makeup look inspired by the Disney movie Tangled. Hope you love it. Now, let's get into the tutorial. To start out this look, we're going to be doing some skin prep, and I'm using these targeted face masks to hydrate under my eyes. I'm gonna leave these on for about 15 minutes while I work on the eyebrows. I'm using a brow powder for the brows because it is a little bit softer than using a pencil or a pomade, and I'm just filling in my natural shape. Because my wig is going to be blonde, I opted for a light reddish brown brow powder to fill in the brows. And I'm just going to set the brows in with some clear brow gel. To hydrate the lips, I'm popping on a lip mask, and I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes while I highlight under the brows, and I'm just using a light colored pencil to do this, blending out with my fingertips. And once the lip mask is off, I'm going to hydrate my lips with a lip balm and gloss. And while I do my makeup, this is going to soften up my lips and prep for lipstick later. I'm applying a serum to my skin before I go into primer or foundation, and this is just going to add some extra glow and hydration to the skin. I'm making sure to rub that in really well and following that up with an illuminating face primer. I'm spraying on a refresh mist just to prep the skin for foundation. Since I am going to be using a matte full coverage foundation, a lot of skincare and a lot of skin prep is so necessary before because it's going to help the foundation sit more beautifully and smoothly on the skin. This is a pretty fair shade of foundation that I'm using. You can of course rock your normal foundation shade, but for this look I opted for something a little paler than my skin tone because it gives more of a transformative look at the end and it looks a little more theatrical like Rapunzel. Here I'm concealing under my eyes just to hide any darkness and even out the skin tone, and I'm blending that out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer in with some loose powder. Now I'll be contouring the face with a cream bronzer, just going along the hollows of the cheeks and the forehead. I like to sweep the contour onto the cheeks just to round them out for a more Disney princess look. And this shade of contour is going to warm up the skin and also define the face. We're about to use some really bright eyeshadows, so here I'm using a white eyeshadow base all over my lids. Jumping right into this bright yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this to the inner crease area, just blending outwards with a fluffy brush. I'm following that yellow with a purple shadow, and I'm going to flick this shape outwards and up using a fluffy brush. I'm going in with the white eyeshadow base to cut the crease. I start by tapping it on, and then I just pat the shape into place using the round tip of the concealer brush. On the lid, I'm using this baby pink color on the inner and outer corners of the eye. I'm applying this beautiful golden foiled eyeshadow to the center of the lid, and this is going to add so much glow, and it really just ties all of the colors in together. On the waterline, I'm using a purple eyeliner, and I'm going to smudge that out with a purple eyeshadow. I did go back in with that baby pink shadow underneath the purple just to help everything blend a little better. I'm highlighting the inner corners of the eye with this beautiful light yellow shimmer shadow. Here I'm applying mascara to my lashes and popping on these beautiful big fluffy false lashes, and for more drama I'm adding some mascara to the outer corner of those lashes. I'm using this contouring powder here to set the cream contour that I applied earlier into place. This is also just going to emphasize it a little bit more. I'm also contouring my nose just so it doesn't disappear. This really helps the nose stand out more against the rest of my face. I'm going right over the top of the nose contour with a matte highlighting powder. On the cheeks, I'm using a matte pink blush, and I'm just applying that to the apples of the cheeks right in the front of my face, sweeping back into the bronzer. I'm applying this beautiful silvery light pink highlight for a magical glow, and this is a glow the entire kingdom can see from afar. I'm adding some gold glitter on the lids for that extra shine, and you guys know by now, every Halloween look I do usually includes some form of glitter, so we can't skip it for this look. Here I'm applying some glitter gel to the cheekbones and the outer corner of the eye. This is a sheer golden glitter, so it will blend really nicely from the eyeshadow down into the cheeks. To add an avant-garde feel to this look, I'm applying some tiny paper flowers and also some rhinestones to the outer corners of the eye. Rapunzel from Tangled has tons of flowers in her long braid, so I thought it would be super cute to continue that on the high points of the cheeks and around the eyes. I'm also adding that gold glitter to the brows as we go along. Over top of the flowers and rhinestones, I'm adding some loose glitter. For the lips, I'm lining with a pink lip pencil, and this is a darker pink, and I'm filling in the lips with a metallic hot pink lipstick, which is so perfect for this look. Make sure you're setting in your look with a setting spray so it lasts all night, and here I am doing just that. Here I'm popping on a hot pink lip gloss over top of the lips for some extra shine and dimension. Moving on to the body, I'm gonna highlight the places that will show in my costume, and I'm using this violet purple liquid highlight as a base for all the glow. I'm going over that with this silvery purple highlight, applying to the collarbones and the center of the chest. I love topping off the chest with some iridescent glitter, so here I am doing that. And time for the best part, the hair. Now, I think I want my hair like this forever. This is the best wig ever. And here is the finished look, my princesses. I hope you all loved this magical tutorial for Rapunzel makeup. If you loved it, be sure you give it a big thumbs up right now and subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you for tuning in to Beautiful Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video.